Okay, so hey guys, hi. Righty, what am I doing? I'm looking for the glue. First of all, welcome to Temi's Tutorials, Lashes 101. I'm going to be teaching you how to put on lashes in less than a minute, and you're going to see the countdown later on in the video. So I've now applied the glue to my eyelash, and I always start with my right eye, as you just saw me indicate to my right eye. What am I doing now? Oh, I haven't applied the glue, sorry about that. Now I'm applying the glue. So I'm doing it very slowly just to show you guys. Wow, voiceovers are really interesting. Okay. Looking at the camera, I see. Okay, now you have the eyelash. You wiggle it, that's right, that's what I do. I wiggle it, I blow it just to make it dry faster. All of that. Fan it, blow it, etc, etc. I think I'm going to speed this up because this is a bit boring. You're just watching me wiggle lashes. You have to also, okay, the reason why I'm wiggling the eyelash is so that it can fit to my eye shape, because as you can see, eyes aren't straight lines, they're a bit curved. So you wiggle it to almost bend the lash and form the lash. Now look, zoom in, look at that. I'm looking at my mirror and I'm placing it right on top of my lash line. Wow, that was very, very clean. You guys will get it first time if you follow these instructions, that I can promise you. But don't come to me and fight me if you don't get it right, because that's not my problem, that's yours. Sorry. Anyways, so now you can see I'm just tapping the lash. Now I'm clipping it together, so just hold the lash in between your actual lash line and your fake lashes and just press them. That's what I just did there. Okay, on to the second lash. That was fast. This is a very quick tutorial, again with my ghetto glue. Guys, please, the reason why I didn't show you my glue is because it's not really a lash glue, but it works just as well. It's very, very strong, but it's a hair bonding glue, so yeah. And black glue is better, but I didn't have any black ones because, you know, it's corona time and yeah, I can't go to the hair shop. Oh, here we have the countdown timer. Let's go. So it literally takes me less than a minute, but I even slow down the tutorial process. With my glue here, it takes 10 seconds to dry, but oh, as you can see here, it took about 10 seconds to dry. Now you have your mirror in one hand. Don't be afraid of the lash, let the lash be afraid of you, guys. It's literally fake hair, right? It can't hurt you. Just put it on right, just like that, done. And then you clip it together, wiggle it around a bit, and that's it. Oh, why is my eye having spasm again? Oh, look at me looking at the camera. Okay, and that's it. 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Smile. Yes, lovely. Right, now as you can see, I'm pulling my lash down to see if you can see the white line, and you can, the white glue, which is okay. So you get your eyeliner. I think this eyeliner is even running out because it wasn't doing a very good job, and you just yeah, look at that little, wow, I'm so on job, I know what I'm doing. So as you can see, I'm trying to go over the glue with the eyeliner because that does work, but that's why it's better to have black glue. If you have black glue, you won't really see the mess, and you'll have thick eyeliner. But yeah, I didn't have thick eyeliner today. I normally have eyeliner whenever I wear lashes, but it doesn't matter. You can just go over it with eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner is best because it's liquid, but you know, pencil eyeliners work just fine. Then you just go over, yeah, there you go. You see I'm using a MAC lip and eye pencil, and I'm just going over the white glue. Ew, fix that, Temi. Okay, I'm clipping it together, that's right. Clip it together to kind of, if I use a pencil, I clip it so I can almost blend the liner and the glue together. Sounds silly, but it works, because look at that, look at the difference. Now you can't see anything. Done. don't know why I keep holding my hair back, but smile. You are welcome. Thank you guys for watching. Alrighty. Pose, pose, whoa. Bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, bye guys.